Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up our draw people, crochet baby skirts, designs, ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Get ready to create a sweet and delicate garment for your little ones. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet baby skirts designs ideas. So please watch this video till end without skip. These are perfect for any occasion. This skirt is sure to impress. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and textures. To shape the waist belt, we will use techniques. Experiment with different yarn, color and textures. Try using different stitches or baby frock styles and different yarn and crochet hook and make all the baby skirts easily. You decor your baby skirts with the help of different accessories. Add embellishment like button, bow, applique works, beads, pearls, stones, iron stickers and many other accessories you use and decor your skirts, baby skirts easily. And that's it, your crochet baby skirt is complete and ready to wear. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it next video about your comment. These are amazing and best gift for your babies. And please be share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. If you want more information about crochet work, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload a full DIY tutorial for you. And I will upload a full explained video for you. If you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website BePatron. You visit and order your favorite patterns, ideas, different collection. Hope so you like this video. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification.